Did you see that? The rapid jack termination tool for the TM314. So they sent us the jacks and they were kind enough to send us the rapid jacks to terminate those jacks as well. So in some of our videos, you're gonna see us using these ones. What else do we have? Here. That's the Cat 6 110 junction box, white. Ooh. This is interesting. I think I've used this one a couple of times in the field before. Very handy, it comes in very handy, especially when you want to create a consolidation point. You have that one cable that probably you have to extend. I've used that a lot. You know, when it comes to network cabling, you allowed one consolidation point per your permanent link. What a way to have that consolidation point. So I guess you pop this in here, you open it. This one has got two identical insulator displacement connectors, IDCs, and you are able to terminate them as per the color code. So you bring two cables, you bring one in here, you terminate them. Here, you use the 110 punch tool. Once you're done, you put this on safely, and you've just created a consolidation point. It comes with that double sticky tape, sided tape that you can also peel and stick, or you can also screw it with the screws that comes with it. So this is very handy. Students are going to use it in class and they are going to test that one as well. So we have a box full of that. Thanks once again to the folks here at TSOC. Let's see what else we have in here. I think that's about it. It's a whole lot of rapid jacks that are in here. We have a lot more of these face plates, but that sums it up. I'm so excited to have this partnership with the TSOC. You know, this is what we do here at Delmi Training. We train the next generation of network cabling and electronic security technicians. And it's just great that product manufacturers trust Delmi Training to bring their products to test and to put before the hands of the students. Definitely they trust their products, and we are putting it before the next generation. The students that we are teaching, they're gonna have a hand on using these equipment, and definitely when they see it in the field, it's going to be second nature for them. Well, until then, big shout out to TSOC. We really appreciate the partnership. Thank you, Imran. Thank you, Norm. For those of you who are watching, if you are also a distributor and you want to support the Delmi Training Institute, why don't you reach out to us and see where we can fit together and we can support your brand and your products. All right, until then, keep watching. And it's Roland with the Delmi Training Institute. See you on the next one.